Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try black and white printed shirt with grey jeans and black sneakers. Next you can try white polo t-shirt with black jeans and black Chelsea boots. Next you can try beach pattern shirt with white pants and brown shoes. Next you can try blue printed polo t-shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try blue and white striped shirt with tan pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black half sleeve shirt with blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try white and blue t-shirt type shirt with white pants. Next you can try black polo t-shirt with tan pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white t-shirt with black jeans and black boots. Next you can try brown t-shirt with olive cargo pants and brown sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 oversized t-shirt outfit ideas.